This video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Kennett Square, Pennsylvania. 1. Longwood Gardens. Kick off your Kennett Square adventure at Longwood Gardens, one of the most spectacular botanical gardens in the world. This sprawling 1,100-acre wonderland is the brainchild of industrialist Pierre S. Dupont. It showcases over 10,000 plant species across elaborate indoor and outdoor displays. You can wander through the iconic Italian water garden, the fragrant rose arbor, and the tropical conservatory filled with exotic blooms. Be sure to catch the breathtaking fountain shows, where choreographed water jets dance to music and lights. The main fountain garden has recently undergone a massive renovation, adding 17 acres of enhancements. Plan to spend at least half a day here. Whether you visit in summer for the lush greenery or winter for the holiday light display, Longwood Gardens is pure magic. 2. Anson B. Nixon Park. Next, take a short drive to Anson B. Nixon Park, a 106-acre community gem that is perfect for a relaxing outdoor escape. The park features nearly 3 miles of walking paths that wind through woodlands and meadows. You can stroll along the gravel or paved trails, fish at the pond, or let the kids loose on the expansive playground. The park is also a hub for community events, hosting free summer concert series. With its 2 fenced dog areas, it's a paradise for 4-legged visitors. It's a beautiful, free space for a picnic, a jog, or simply to bask in the quiet beauty of nature. 3. The Mushroom Capital. Did you know that the unassuming borough of Kennett Square produces over 60% of America's mushrooms? To truly understand this title, you must visit the Mushroom Cap, a unique museum and specialty shop dedicated entirely to the fungus. Located on State Street, this spot offers a fascinating self-guided tour that chronicles the region's long history of mushroom farming. You'll see vintage farming equipment, learn about the growing process, and browse a shop filled with mushroom-themed products, from savory snacks to grow-it-yourself kits. It's a quirky, educational, and deliciously fun stop for the whole family. 4. Portabellos and mushroom soup. Embrace the culinary soul of the town with a bowl of award-winning roasted mushroom soup at Portabellos of Kennett Square. Made from locally grown Stinson's Farm mushrooms, Madeira wine, and fried shallots, this dish has been called one of the best mushroom dishes in America. The small, upscale eatery on bustling State Street is famous for this earthy, complex, and creamy appetizer. For a truly authentic Kennett Square experience, try the Portabello tempura or the stuffed mushrooms as well. It's the taste of the town in every spoonful. 5. Kennett Underground Railroad Center. Step into a profound chapter of American history at the Kennett Underground Railroad Center. This site highlights the crucial role Kennett Square played as a stop on the Underground Railroad, which helped enslaved people escape to the north in the 19th century. The center offers immersive exhibits, educational programs, and guided tours that share the brave stories of local abolitionists and the freedom seekers they helped. It's a thought-provoking and deeply moving experience that provides crucial insight into the region's past. This is a must-visit for any history enthusiast. 6. Tallulah's Table. Foodies, prepare for a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Tallulah's Table is a gourmet market by day and an exclusive fine dining destination by night. This beloved spot is famous for its farm table, a single long table that seats just 12 guests for an extraordinary farm-to-table dinner. The multi-course tasting menu changes daily, featuring the freshest ingredients from local Chester County farms. Reservations are incredibly sought after and often require booking months in advance, making it the holy grail of culinary experiences in the Brandywine Valley. It's the perfect, intimate spot for a celebration. 7. Downtown shopping and art. Spend a leisurely afternoon exploring downtown Kennett Square. The brick-lined streets are home to a treasure trove of local boutiques, art galleries, and specialty shops. Browse for unique home goods and artisan crafts, or find a beautiful oil painting at the Square Pear Gallery, which features rotating exhibits from local artists. For a truly unique experience, step into Treetop's Kitty Cafe, a cozy spot where you can grab a coffee and pet adoptable cats. The town is walkable, charming, and perfect for finding that one-of-a-kind souvenir. 8. The Woodlands at Phillips. For a hands-on look at the region's agricultural roots, take a self-guided tour of the mushroom exhibit at the Woodlands at Phillips. Located in an 1828 farmhouse, this fourth-generation family farm showcases the fascinating mushroom-growing process, from the white button to the exotic shiitake. You'll learn about the history, health benefits, and medicinal uses of these incredible fungi. It's an authentic and educational detour that offers a behind-the-scenes look at the industry that put Kennett Square on the map. 9. Kennett Arts Festival and seasonal events. If you're visiting in spring or fall, time your trip around one of Kennett Square's vibrant festivals. The Kennett Arts Festival fills the streets with over 100 artists, local beer and wine vendors, live music, and an author's table. It's a fantastic celebration of creativity, and entrance is completely free. For beer lovers, the Kennett Brewfest and Winterfest bring exceptional cold-weather brews, hearty food, and live music to support community programs. No matter the season, there's always a lively community celebration happening in the square. Hit the like button if you like the video. If you want exciting offers on flights and hotels, check the description below. Next, October 19th, 1906 at Longwood Gardens. Elevate your Longwood Gardens visit with a stunning dining experience at 1906, the newly reimagined restaurant located on the grounds. Designed by the award-winning architectural firm Weiss/Manfredi, the restaurant offers breathtaking floor-to-ceiling vistas of the main fountain garden. The menu showcases refined, contemporary American cuisine, making it a perfect spot for a romantic dinner or a celebratory lunch after a day of exploring the gardens. It's a beautiful marriage of horticulture and haute cuisine. Be sure to book a reservation in advance to guarantee your seat.